Yep, once again, thank you for joining Boat Time with Kerry. Thank you for all the like and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to close in an underwater light. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, I decided to do a quick video about it. So I went ahead and I taped off inside the boat, so when I'm grinding, as you can see, I ground my repair ready so I don't get any dust inside. Today I got myself some cruiser board that I'm going to use and close. Normally I will use West System for this repair, but because we're just closing up the underwater light so we could reinstall a new underwater light, I am using polyester resin vinyl. That is a very good resin there, and I am using 404 high density. This high density is very dense, it's very hard, and is very good to use on your boat, especially if you have a damage or you're trying to fill something. So as you can see guys, I am mixing up my high density and my resin together. What you want to do, you want to get your paste all nice and fluffy so you could apply to your cruiser board. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to apply my paste around the edges of the cruiser board so I could glue that cruiser board in. Also guys, don't forget to add your MEK to your paste. That is very important because if you don't add your MEK, it will not dry. If you guys are using pressure treated wood, that will work too, but I am using cruiser board today. Don't forget to clean up the excess filler around there so you could go ahead and glass immediately over that. I am using biopsy today. I went ahead and cut myself some glass. I'm using 4 pieces of glass to put over my repair so I can get that nice build-up. As I said guys, I am using polyester resin vinyl, so guys, don't forget to add the MEK to it because if you don't, as I said, it will not dry. Guys, if you continue to watch this video, please like and subscribe. By the way guys, when you're wetting out your pieces, remember to wet them out properly, because if you don't wet them out properly, they will be dry and they will not bond together properly. So remember to get it nice and wet. Apply as much coat as you can to get that nice moisture look. As you can see guys, I went ahead and applying my wet glass to my hole, looking beautiful. So now what I'm about to do, I'm about to apply some filler over the glass so I could go ahead and sand it. So guys, let's get started. I apply my filler, everything is dry. Now let's get sanding. Alright, everything is done. My hole is closed up properly. As you can see, it's nice and flush to the boat. So now it's time for them to go ahead and install the underwater light. As you can see, they installed the underwater lights. It looked beautiful guys. Thank you for watching KB Boat and Yacht Repair. Thank you for joining. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.